Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Java C is not recognized as internal or external command. It's quite easy, so let me show you how. First of all, open a browser and just need to write Java Oracle and go to oracle.com. Then press download Java button. Then scroll down a bit, select JDK26, then select Windows if you are on Windows, and then just install and download x64 installer and wait until download process is done. Once it's done, press on the file and just install Java. Installation process is quite simple. You just need to press next, install, and wait until install process is done here. Once it's done, press close. Then open up your files. Usually it is on disk C, program files, and then you need to press on Java and look for Java. Then look for JDK26. Then go to the bin folder, and then you need to just click here and copy the path. Then what you need to do here on search, you just need to write environment here, and then you need to press edit environment variables for your account. Then press on the path and then press on edit. Then press on new and paste the path, and then press OK. And then that's it. If we need to look if we install everything all right? So you just need to open up CMD on command prompt and open admin, and then you just need to write Java space -- version, right? And yeah, as you can see here, everything is installed correctly. Java 26.0.1. You should see similar window to this, and that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.